What's the meaning of bruising? Bruising. Bruising.
Bruising. Bruising. Bruising refers to a condition in which capillaries, small blood vessels near the surface of the skin, are damaged and blood leaks out into the surrounding tissue. This can result in a visible discoloration of the skin, typically ranging in color from blue to purple to yellowish-green as the body gradually reabsorbs the blood. Bruising can be caused by a variety of factors, including injury, medication, underlying health conditions, or simply aging. While usually harmless, severe or frequent bruising may be a sign of a more serious medical problem and should be evaluated by a healthcare professional.